I want to briefly introduce you into Sunny Design Pro, which we show here firstly at the Intersolar in Munich. As you might know, we already have with Sunny Design a tool for simulating a PV system, including battery storage, a heat pump system. And now what we do, we extend the simulation to the overall heating system. And with the upcoming releases, we will also cover electromobility. So what you see here is the main view on the energy system, where you see that we have a PV system and a battery system, and newly the heating system with a gas boiler and also a combined heat and power system. Sunny Design Pro enables you just with the click of a mouse to get your simulation for a whole year, giving you insight into the energy consumption and also, of course, the energy cost savings you will get.